Secret Recipe Cakes and Cafe encompasses over 600 outlets. However, we have begun our energy savings program with them across 50 sites that we have classified as Phase 1. We have basically installed the ACES tool, which is intended to drive more efficient use of their air conditioning units. We have also installed our retrofits and energy-saving devices across chillers and freezers. And we've also dealt with lighting. With any energy savings program, central ultimately has got to be measurement and verification. Central to the retrofits and devices for energy saving and energy efficiency is the real-time AnyScope device, which has been installed across the Secret Recipe sites. At the point where we were able to escalate the energy savings program, the whole idea behind it was to make ourselves invisible, in a sense that we do not impact their patrons who actually come to them for dining experience. They ultimately do not see us. What we were able to do was to achieve energy saving of 15% at a typical shopping mall site, upwards of 18% at a main street site. Expectation on our part is that we are able to average it out to at least close to 18% to actually save them approximately 473 megawatt hours, 365-day operation per annum. In terms of dollar figure, that would translate, given our tariff here, about 300,000 Malaysian ringgit, which is approximately about 100,000 US dollars.
This project fills me with pride, and there's a very specific reason for that. This will be the first project that we've personally worked on outside of America with the pioneering prepaid savings option that was first introduced to Hillsborough County Public Schools about 18 months ago now. So the idea of prepaid savings is a new one to many, and I think it's because people can't believe that that could be true in the world of energy saving. How can you possibly give the savings to the client before they've even been achieved? And how we do that is through our product, the Enoscope, which is a brilliant measurement and verification tool, and it allows us to predict in advance what those energy savings are likely to be. So we have the confidence to just say to the client, you know what, you don't have to wait for the savings, we'll give them to you right now. The reason that we're able to so confidently say that we could offer this prepaid savings deal to anyone is that we have an amazing network of partners. We have over 100 partners, certified, trained, approved to deliver our technology stack. And those partners are distributed across 50 different countries around the world. So if you're an F&B operator watching this video, what I would say to you is we have the technology to help you. We can save you energy, that's guaranteed. We're doing it for Secret Recipe. We can do it for you too. We're not going to ask you to risk anything. You don't have to put your hand in your pocket. In fact, we're going to put our hand in our pocket and write you a check at the beginning of the process to eliminate all the uncertainty around those savings. Yes, we're going to save you energy, but there are additional benefits that can be derived from our technology stack. Things like improved maintenance and improved operations, and we'd love to deliver that value to you as well. But don't take my word for it. Yes, we've done it for Secret Recipe. Yes, we're doing it for other brands around the world. But how do you know I can do it for you? Invite us in. Let us come and prove it to you. We'll do a proof of value. We'll demonstrate what we're capable of. And then you can be absolutely sure that you can get the same kind of benefits that clients like Secret Recipe are enjoying right now.